Hi, welcome back to G Suite Everything training. This is about Google Forms and we're going a little bit deeper today, learning how to share our form with the outside world and invite people to collaborate with us in creating the form. So how I got here, remember, I just would have gone into my Google Drive, new, and then I clicked Google Forms, which opened up this page, and we called it a client experience form. So at the end of this short video, your job will be to actually create a client experience form and share that with everybody, and also then invite me and Christian to collaborate with you on that form. And at the end of that, we'll look at everybody's client experience form and collate one form for the BYS together, which can be put on our website, I guess, somewhere accessible to the outside world. So there it is, client experience form. Really simple. When you want to share with anybody, you just click send and it gives you options. So if you can send it via an email, you can just get the link for it. It's really nice to shorten that URL and send out the short one. You can share via Facebook or Twitter if those accounts are connected. And this one here is also what I want to show you. This is the embed HTML code. And embedding is what you do when you want to put your form, have it sitting on a web page. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. And it shows you the width and the height of what your form is going to be, and sometimes you might want to change it after you've put it in your web page, so I can show you how to do that. The first thing you do is just go copy this embed HTML, then you head on over to the back end of your website or intranet, and I think I got that ready before. So here we are with the BYS Squarespace website, and opening that up, we'll go to pages here. Once you have the pages open, we can set up a new page. So here we are, all the pages are open, and inside the navigation up the top of the website, yeah? If you go down the bottom, it's got this area that says not linked. Yep. So that's any web page that is an old web page that used to be part of the website, or perhaps there's linked pages that are sitting in our website but not sitting inside one of these menu tabs. Yep. So we're pretty safe to do a not linked page, just to show you how to embed something. You just click on a blank page, and I'm going to call it embed form practice, like that. And where are we? There's our new page, and we will go edit in our page, and we want to click on that, which will open up something here which is called embed, and it asks you to enter the embeddable URL here, and you literally go Command V to put what you copied in. You put it, it's got the URL. It asks you for the URL. And we're not using a URL. URL is like a word for website address. Sorry about that mistake. Okay. You press that because that's your embed code little signal. Now you go Command V. There's your embed code. You go set and then apply. You can see it sits in your form like that. So there's your form. We didn't do any questions on this form, so it's sitting in there looking funny. But if you want to edit that, say you want to change the size, you go to edit, go back onto the code embed data, and it says width 700, height 520. You can literally go in and change it. So let's make our width a little bit 900, and we want the height to be 700. And so look there, it just changes kind of the layout of that form and how it sits on the page. So you can have a play around with the different sizes until you're happy with how it sits on the page. And that, once you've done that, you just go save, and we save that. Did we save that already? Yep. So that's all saved now, and once you've completed your forms, it'd be great if you could head on over to the BYS website, scroll down to the not linked pages and click on embed form practice, and have a play around on this page and see if you can put your form in using that embed code. Now, before we go as well, so that was how to share your form with all the different ways you can share it. Now, you might actually want a colleague to work on this form with you. So if you want that, you would say move that out of the way, sorry. You would scroll down here and go add collaborators. And literally, you just type in the people who you'd like to collaborate with on your form. So if I want Stephanie, then you over here can just give them the rights you want them to have. Can edit or can view, and then you can send that. If you want to add a message to Steph to give her a reason why you're asking her to collaborate with you, or some specific instructions, you just add that message in and then press send. You can also do the sharing with a link up the top as well, but only if you've added them as a collaborator already. So you just give them that link, for example, if you wanted them to collaborate and you'd sent them the email to collaborate and they deleted it and said, oh no, I still want to collaborate, maybe you could just send them the link as well. Okay, so I'm just going to get cancel, done. So from that, you create your form, and you by now will know how to add a collaborator to share it with, and you can also go send and get the embed form and put it in a website as well. So I hope that was useful. Thank you.